Today I have three very special stories for you: a brother's love, first date, and a very special gift for a mom. So keep watching. Hi, it's Fran Morgan with Fabric Cafè, and I'm your Fabric Matchmaker. This is a brand new series that we're putting on here at Fabric Cafè for our YouTube channel, and we are inviting you, the quilter, to submit your very special sentimental fabrics that you're not quite sure how to use. They're very special. You don't want to just cut up and put it into anything, so we're going to help guide you through that process. Now, I have invited three very special quilters to submit their fabric swatches, and we're going to go through those today. Our very first submission came from Jennie, and she sent me this beautiful kind of a kaleidoscope swatch here. It has so many different colors in it. I'm going to read her story and what she mailed in, explaining how this fabric is sentimental to her. She wrote, "I was gifted with this fabric from a friend who bought a house to renovate into an Airbnb. She called me and said, 'I have a room and a closet packed full of fabric. Would you like to have it?' 2 loads later, it was finally unpacked in a pile in my garage. I fell in love with this material, but I couldn't figure out what to do with it. As I was cutting it out and thinking about why I liked it so much, I realized that it reminded me of a kaleidoscope. Memories of my late brother and looking through kaleidoscopes as a child are why I fell in love with it. I am at a loss for a quilt pattern to use. I have 3 daughters, and I would love to pass this on to them along with the story." Jennie, that was just so touching, and thank you, and I understand. So this is a very special fabric, and I have been able to pull together some companions and a pattern for you. So let's look at the quilt that I've pulled together here. This is our Illusions quilt, and as you can see here, it has lots of different squares, and I thought this would work perfectly to really highlight that kaleidoscope fabric so that it would be in some of the centers of the squares as well as the border, and I think all the squares kind of give that same refraction that a kaleidoscope has as well, so I think it's going to be perfect for what you're looking for. Let's put that on the table and see the fabrics that we've selected for that. So the fabric that Jennie sent in that is in her stash is this beautiful kaleidoscope. So we're going to be using that as our focus fabric for her quilt. Our other 2 fabrics that I have chosen for Jennie are the green here. You see how beautiful that coordinates, and then this purple. So these are our 3 that will go into the Illusions pattern. Now I think this is going to make up just beautifully and very, very quickly, and I'm sure your daughters will love it and really appreciate the story that comes along with it. Now Jennie, for being a wonderful participant, I am going to actually send you a yard of the green and a yard of the purple, as well as the book that the Illusions pattern came out of. Now for those of you at home and for Jennie, I do have an image that is going to pop up on the screen, so you'll be able to see what the finished quilt looks like. Now, for those of you at home that do not have this beautiful kaleidoscope fabric, I have pulled something together just for you. So let's look at that. Now I did the best I could to find something that was similar. And what I did was this really fun, colorful fabric here. So we're going to use this. Since you don't have the fabric that Jennie has, this would be the perfect #1 focus fabric for your Illusions quilt. And then we also have a beautiful green that coordinates and a purple. And once again, there should be an image on the screen that you can see what it's going to look like all made up. Now, if those of you at home would like to order this, the kit number is 8022050, and the kit's name is Jennie's Memories. It is the Illusions pattern from the Modern Views book, and it also comes as an individual. So next, very excited, we have another submission, and I thought this was just so absolutely sweet. Janet submitted this very charming strawberry fabric. And this just kind of takes me back, I don't know, to the 50s or something. I just love it. So let's read Janet's story and find out more about this strawberry fabric. I was visiting with a friend and discovered through conversation that her mom and dad had downsized to a smaller home. Her mom was needing to give up much of her fabric stash to fit into the smaller home, and she asked if I would like to have some of it. The charming strawberry print was part of her stash. I am sure back in the day, it was a lovely choice for a project purchased. But years later, I'm having a hard time catching the vision and matching it. I would love to use this piece to make my friend's mom a nice quilt for her new home. Please show me how one would make this into a must-have quilt that would make a nice gift and my friend's mom smile. Well, I just think this is gorgeous, and I think I've put something perfect together for you. Here we have a stellar quilt. This is from our book, Quilts on the Double, and I really think that this kind of nostalgic pattern here will look beautiful with your strawberry print. So let's stick that on the table and see what we've got to go with it. Now, Janet, with your strawberries, I'm going to put this here. We have coordinated it with this really nice beige with a little bit of red to pick up the red of the strawberry, as well as the red vine as well. Look how perfect those go together. I think this it's kind of a raspberry red or a pinky red that picks up the same color in your strawberry. I was very pleased with being able to put these together. So in your case, you're going to take your strawberry print and it will go here, and then in the big block here, as well as on the border. And then our number 2 is the beige, and our red will be in the points and on the border as well. So I just think it's really sweet. We have popped up an image on the screen so that you can see what it'll look like made up. And just like Jennie's, Janet, thank you for participating, and we are going to be sending you a yard of the beige and the red, as well as the book with the stellar pattern so that you can make this up for your friend's mom. I'm sure she's going to love it. Now, for those of you at home, we have pulled together something very similar. Let me show you that. Now, of course, you don't have that charming strawberry fabric like Janet, but we have found this one, and I just loved it. Just a little bit of a strawberry vine with a little white flower on it. It'll be the perfect focus fabric for the stellar, and then, of course, the beige and the red with it. So once again, I believe we have an image popped up on the screen so that you can see that. Now, this quilt pattern or kit is 8022051. It is called Strawberries for Mom. It is using the stellar pattern from our book, Quilts on the Double, and the alternate pattern would be Heartland. Next is a fabric that we received. I just thought this was so much fun and absolutely loved the story on this one. Lucinda sent this in. She sent me a nice big piece of it. And as you can see, it's got all these fun coffee cups on it. Let me read the story from Lucinda so that we can hear the concept behind this fabric and why she sent it in. Lucinda says, I purchased this fabric when my husband and I had just started dating. We worked at the same company and we both loved coffee. Our small office did not have good coffee, so we would go on a daily coffee run to the local coffee shop. I was new to quilting and this coffee cup fabric just spoke to me. I thought it captured the essence of my new budding relationship. I have saved this fabric for over 15 years to do something special with. I just don't know what to do with it or how to make it a focal point of a quilt. Coffee is still a big part of our day. My husband and I enjoy coffee together every day. A quilt idea with this fabric would be very special to both of us. So what's really interesting is I did ask Lucinda, those first dates at the coffee store, that is her husband today. So I just love that story. So let's see the quilt that we put together here. So this is Roman Holiday. And the reason why I picked this for the coffee, a couple of reasons, is I love this big square here. And Lucinda's coffee memory fabric will look gorgeous here. But I also loved that it had like these little joining pieces, so it's almost like it's bringing two together. So I thought, perfect for a first date quilt. So let's put that on the table and look at the fabric. Now with Lucinda's coffee fabric, what I have done here is put a really nice kind of a beige, I mean, think of it as like the cream in your coffee. And then the brown that goes with it. So once again, the coffee fabric will go here, Lucinda. The white will be your background, and this beautiful brown will be here in the joining squares and in the border. I think that it will work really well. As you can see the image on the screen, just the quilt really pops, and I really like this one. One of my favorite ones I've done, I think. And as a thank you for participating, we will be sending you a yard of the white and the brown, as well as the book with the Roman holiday. Now for those of you at home, I've got something special for you with coffee as well. Let's look at that. So I thought it was great that I was able to pull together and find another coffee fabric, and I think this one looks equally as great. So as you can see, it has all these words: espresso, latte, cappuccino, and then I've put the same yummy, creamy white and brown with it. As you can see, there's an image on the screen, how fabulous that looks. So the kit number on this one, 8022052, and it's called Coffee Date. And it is from the book Quick as a Wink, Pattern is Roman Holiday. Now we do have an alternate pattern for you. That is a garden path. So thank you so much, Lucinda. I appreciate you participating. And for all of you out there that have a swatch and you're just not quite sure and it's very special to you, check out our website, fabriccafe.com, and go to the free goodies tab. And on the free goodies tab, there will be instructions on how to submit your swatches for the Fabric Matchmaker. So we would love to have that. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and share with your friends and ring the little bell. And thank you so much. It's Fran Morgan, your Fabric Matchmaker.